Welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony. In the presentation ceremony, I have the winning captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I would like to call Mahendra Singh Dhoni to come on the stage, please.
Dhoni, 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 Dhoni.
Dhoni, it was a fab innings. The game came to the end. So, what was going through your mind?
Well, we were chasing 59 runs of 8 overs. Initially, we lost a few wickets, and the only thing is keep your calm and stay till the end. We definitely know that we are going to win this game.
You lost early 3 wickets. So, what was you telling to the non-striker there?
When I was playing, I just told him that don't look at 8 overs, 59 runs. Just look at that. We have to get 8 runs per over so that we can just keep it simple and win the game till the end.
Yeah. What do you think Aditya's role was today?
His role was just to go and increase the run rate, and I think he did his job. Unfortunately, he got out at the boundary, but that was his job. He was sent to increase the run rate.
How do you think about the future of Aditya here for the next game?
We have to look at his batting position because he's a kind of batsman. He can bat at the end as well as he can open the innings. So it depends upon the situation. We are going to look at it, and we can give chance to someone else.
Do you think toss played a crucial role here because the ball was swinging a bit, then the ball started bouncing a bit? So what was going through your mind over there?
Definitely, the initial plan was to chase the target because we know that we played a lot of games in that ground, and we know how the ball plays here. So we thought if we win the toss, you have to go and off the ball so that you can stay till the end and finish the game.
How do you make a game so simple? Because playing under such pressure situations, it's not so easy for a batsman to manipulate the shots over there.
As I already told you, don't look at the number of runs you have to hit. You have to convert and cut short it to how many runs you have to hit per the over, so that you can keep it simple. And we expected to target one kind of bowler over there, and that is what I have done.
The favorite shot, you had many shots, but what was the favorite shot among them?
Even in the nets, I kept practicing that six. After playing it in the World Cup, I never hit that six again. So I'm very happy that I got that six again.
Yeah, the fans are eager to look at the shot. Can you please show the shot?
I'll do it when I'm playing it.
No, just you do it now. Yeah, here's the bat.
Come on, Dhoni, 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 Dhoni.
Oh, thank you so much, Dhoni. All the best for all your future games here.